What's up, y'all? I was cracking this D-Boss react to this video. These videos. This is what languages sound like to foreigners. I thought this was an interesting video topic. Somebody requested this, but I saw a couple different ones, so I'm gonna react to both of them. We got the female's perspective and the male's perspective, but yeah, we're gonna see what we sound like to foreigners. I've always wondered that, because people who don't understand English, like, what are they hearing exactly? Like, obviously they're hearing us talk, but what does it sound like? You know, anyway, they're about to depict that, so let's watch.
Tämän tekeleen päällä mä tasapainottelin tämän videon ajan. Siinä on yrttiteetä, ja 2 ruisleipää. Moi.
FINNISH.
Jomalla teleillä kantarami josmerenille kai meretuksella.
I wouldn't even know what this was.
Alltså det man sortade med handlar ju. Filen man råd ostaglig förkämpare med de skimatrupa med alla pluva som fan. Dessa fjortare plådar oss mot en botten och nas hemma. Kanske olen masiksimmat kuska juuri. Rykklisin katoseksimies on kaivakor makkaralle. Ilias karjuska, kadrupaili blokavishnaisnuru. Minjakar alkaa vokalla ja diskimirin sampoille. Bonsoir. J'inquiète les boulets sont sa voix de 80. Che le buone oiseaux jos limonade, je le podimo.
That is what French sounds like.
Solla videtto putta pesca madra solla. Portuguese che forma choice redattaio al merianto, gramma de hauda faduro, che
Portuguese sound like Spanish to me.
I'd say I kill it in my bones. Something's in it. It's like a miraculously mobilizing felt-tip pen, like a ordinary quiescence of a marinating floro. Musicena tatturu yokimasu. Yukittura basanchito yuskidimatoska. Masakitturu yukimitte. La manera que solo mató la mierda, que tonto quise el solo un lugar, abierta per viva con todo cómico pueses. A huevo, cabrón.
That is exactly what Spanish sounds like.
Trevor Mazendry appearing like Monin Fair. Follow me like a pending French at Bologna value precisely. Hello?
She sounds like Sam.
القلوس الواحدة على الحباب ما يعرف التحدي من أصل يشتقت لي هم قلاص نادرس واللغة العربية في البيت.
She had that one right, but she had to put a little bit more emphasis on her words, because I've heard Arabic quite a bit, and yeah, I hear the words being really like emphasized a lot. She didn't do it exactly, but anyway, let's go to the guy's video and see his version. For decades, come on, Flex.
Don spreaded must on Sprexter and tricks on anti-panny Polwalk and Lynn Sperm. In his time, elf spruce to spiel a tell for spine. Thanks for listening. Bruce, if I'm wearing the dog at your rest, ain't really feeling you caught that trout, huh, Timbo? Qual è stazione in particolare? Le gambe del netto chiamati lo ciudmano elevato. Prese bene qual è la risata. Risata. Sì, però una tita attraverso che fazione è sicuro che non copiano, guarda, qua la mia che non parlare di adesso.
Why is this so accurate?
Steine strangt und nicht verlachen. Uns Reichstein ist im ganzen Blachen von auf Banco kleines und gefahren.
That's dead on.
France pas sous les battes, clémate, patronage, avance, manipulance, vacances, couillatronite. Oui, oui. Brez, Brez, nie ter bezdielnie, w tyłie szybko Kosturowski. Byliś mieli dyrektora Suźne, doktor Grenski obsznet. Mięso?
Da.
他想攞住下攞過嚟停貓喎，但係佢講，佢講杯唔殺氣啊，流通通啊，我流唔殺啊，流黑啊，高流氣聽啊，鬆流殺。
They be sounding so angry. They sound pleasant.
はい。おお、酒ばい、酒ばいばい、これきつき忘れたんだめだ。
Sound like anime.
どういうことってだ。아스미라 그럼 뿡 집주머니 병영 집을성 별성 집을성 총총관신 가다를 말하면서 마크가 말하면서 디샤 바깔라니 두바라가 말하면서 만나서
I'm not familiar.
الكليف يمتقى المكتب بين خميد اسخر مسخمات البكتوني الخرمي مخزن
He put that emphasis on it. He put that emphasis on Arabic that I was talking about. That's how they sound, exactly. This is crazy. This is exactly what I hear. I'm pretty sure he's speaking gibberish in every single one of these languages, but if you told me he was actually saying something in Spanish, French, I would believe you, because that's exactly what it sounds like. So this is like super dead on. So people who don't understand English, that's what they hearing? Sam's characters? That's crazy. They sound exactly like Sam's characters. That is wild. Interesting. See, I need to learn these different languages. I keep saying I'm gonna, start with Spanish and go from there, but I haven't gotten around to it. And it takes so much energy to learn a language, because like I've said in other videos, you have to really immerse yourself in that language. You have to watch TV shows in that language, listen to music in that language, speak it on a regular basis. Like, you can't just think you gonna learn it on fucking Duolingo and then be done with it and you know it. That's not how the fuck it works, because I've tried. And it don't work like that. And I got good grades in Spanish in college and high school, but child, I know a few words. That's it. I remember I used to always be like, hola, ¿cómo estás? That's when I was learning Spanish. So that's where that came from. I was being purposely cringe, but I was doing that because I was learning Spanish around that time. But I've fallen off, and now I don't know shit. It's crazy. You have to really get into that language, and I don't think I have time for that right now. But this was a really interesting video. Well, both of them was pretty interesting, hearing what people hear. So, y'all let me know what y'all thought. Let me know what other videos you want me to watch, and I'll see you in the next one.